Hi everyone. Here I'm going to explain you employees and payrolls modules. This is the login page. I'm logging with admin. Yeah, once you logged in, this is the admin screen. Once you logged in, you can see all the menus. These all are the menus. For employees, we have to create the users first for the logging purpose. Click on the settings and go to the users. Yeah, so these are the existing users. If you want to create the users, click on the create button and create the new user. User means these credentials you can log in with this portal. So this is demo employee 2. So below you can see this is the email ID you can log in, and this email ID should be existing email ID. So once you created, we are sending the reset password link to this particular email. So with this email you can log in and you can set up the password, the email and password. You can log into the portal. So below you can see the access rights. These are the access rights. These are the menus. You can see top of that: sales, project, employees, leaves, recruitment, timesheets, attendance, and payroll. So for the particular user, when you are creating, so whatever the access right you can give, first of all you can give the access rights. Every access right should be the manager, so you can change the access rights. Yeah, click on save button. So employee 2, which you have created, and click on the employees for employee information creation. So you can see these are the existing employees. If you want to create the new employee creation, just click on the employee button, create buttons, and then you can see the screen, and you can give the image of the particular employee if you have. And employee name, for example, employee 2, and example, this is not part-time, which this employee is part of which, I mean, this is the tags you can give. Below you can see work information. So where is the work location and work address and work location, and the location, email, and phone number. You can give alternate phone number as well, department, which department he has. If you can see the list of the departments, if you want to create the new department, you can click on the create button. If you have already listed in this list box, yes, you can choose the department, as well as same thing, as well as job position as well, and the manager. And you can give the coach is a team lead, kind of team lead. So work hours also you can mention over here. If you want a different work hours, you can create the new work hour list as well over here. This is, you can see the list of work hours and other information. Now you can describe himself. If you want, this everything is optional. You can see there is a colored one and the blank one. So colored one are the mandatory fields, and empty one are the optional fields. And you can see next tab is private information. So this is a private information, so you can give. So nationality, which nationality he has, and identification number is any unique identification number or URN number or Aadhaar number, any whatever it is. The passport number, bank details as well. So So gender, singular, star, married. So date of birth, place of birth. This everything is optional. If you want to fill the information, you can fill it out. And private information also you can. Same as you can choose the drop down if you want to create the new one. There are option you can create the new one. And HR settings. HR settings is which we are created the user few minutes back. So this is you can so just few minutes back we created employee two. So this employee related to the particular employee this user. So yep. So I am created the user. Just click on the save button. So you can see yeah. So demo user and employee too. This is hierarchy you can see as well. Who is reporting to who's. So this is will employee to the reporting to the demo user. Demo user is a manager of the this person. So this is the way we can create the users. Yeah. So this is a list of users which we created a few minutes back. Employee to yeah. So you can see employee just which we created a few minutes back. This number you can see all the thing over here. This is the way we are creating the employees. Okay. So then coming to the contracts. Yeah. So we have to create the contracts for the particular employee. Okay. So just few minutes back we have created the employee two. So for the particular employee, we have to create the contract as well. Which employee? Employee two. Yeah. So contract type is employee or structure base new structure. So this is structure has every salary has a base gross net salary. So this is the information you can base salary, and if you want to if you have a different salary structure you can create over here. There is a button called create and edit. Just to create your salary structure over here you can add the items. So whatever the list of items you can have base gross net salary, other allowances, the PF and tax. So if you have, you can create the new salary structure. So just I'm giving this base for the new structure. So this wage. So what is the salary for the particular this employee? So I'm giving $25,000. I'm giving $6,000 per month. Click on save. This is the way we have to create the contracts for the employees. Okay, if you can see the departments, how many departments we have: admin, management, research, and sales. If you have the new department, you can click on create, and you can create the your own new department. And this is the employees section. So we can maintain the employees information. We can create the new. We can edit the employees information. We can deactivate the employees if you don't have no more with the organization. So this is employee information and this is the contracts. So coming to the payrolls, so we are giving the pay slips or salary slips to the employee. So here we can create the salary slips for the employee. So employee pay slips, you can click on create. So choose the employee two, which we have created a few minutes back. So what is the time period? I'm giving this month. The contract is employee two, and we have the salary. And if you have the reference anything, so you can give the reference value over here. Just click on the compute sheet and check the salary. So we are given the $6,000 net gross and salary. So once you confirm, then it's confirmed, and just click on save. Just print the payslip. Yeah. So this is the salary slip which you are going to send it to the employees. So this is the way we are creating the contracts and the pay slips. So employee pay slip, you can say this is the uh, status is equal to done, and pay slips batch. Also, if you want to create the multiple batches, you can select the employees and you create the multiple pay slips at once. So everything below are the configurations. So in a salary slip or a pay slip, if you want to edit, add some more information or set something, so below are the sections you can put it on. So settings, you can click on the settings. So whatever the info, payrolls, so choose the payroll. So based on the localization, so we can choose the payrolls information as well. So if you want the accounting system into the pay accounting, so you can add, click on this button. So these configuration only for the admin. This is salary structure, list of the salary structure we have. So if you want a new salary structure, if you want to add the existing salary structure, so you can create or edit these records. Salary rules as well. So if you want to add the new salary rules, you can add it over here, or if you want to edit, so just click on edit and you can change the information. So same way, so these are the flexibility to add the new items to the existing items. So this is the employee pay slips and the pay slip batches configuration. So this is the employees, and this is the way. So we are maintaining the employee information as well as the employee pay slips. So if you have any queries, uh, please ask to the admin at Mindview Global Edge. Thank you.